Welcome back. It is now February 28th, and you know what that means. It's time for Ag Expo. So we're here early, getting the booth set up. So we are getting pretty much ready to go. Everyone else is getting set up out here. So we'll wander around, see what's going on and what kind of promotions there are. We do have some giveaways going on. Here is one of my custom made knives, W2 steel blade, and my card to handle. So you can come along and put your name and phone number on one of these cards, put her in the box, and get entered to win that. That's a show special. We also have our gopher trap set up for demonstrations, and we have a Nature's Aid giveaway as well. You can enter to win 160 acres of free product of Early Riser, Soil Aid, and Super Crop. A pretty slick new horse sprayer. Don't see too many of these out in the field yet, but they are coming. Here's Aerial Tech set up with a display of some of their drones. These guys are my favorite drone supplier. They'll help me out quite often during the season. So if you need anything, come on down here and talk to Merv. He's your guy. And of course, Westwind Air Spray has their booth here like they do every year. So these guys are the best aerial applicators in town. So talk to them when you need your fields sprayed.
Thanks, Lyle.
Tuesday afternoon now. Things are definitely starting to fill up. We're getting a little bit more busy in here, especially over here by the Syngenta booth. This year, the equipment yard is a little bit different. It is on the north side of the pavilion rather than the south. FMC has a decent sized booth this year, not like the little closet they were in last year. So come on down, see Brad, Nolan, and Brian is over here, and Clayton is hiding somewhere as well. So do you have any show specials this time?
We got a lot of show specials, but you just need to stop in and talk to the team here. Everything's special at FMC, and it's a great time to be in southern Alberta here right before spring. So
perfect. Thanks, Nolan. Here at the new Farm Agriculture booth, they have this fun little device here called Matchmaker. So you can fill out your information here and your soil type, and it'll tell you what you should be spraying if you're growing various crops here. We'll pick rye, wheat. You can pick some of your weeds, whether you have them or not. Swipe left or right, just like you're on Tinder. And surprise, surprise, should be spraying Blackhawk as a pre-burn product. Good. Kyle from One Soil is also sharing our booth this week while we're here. So he's set up to do demos of One Soil. So if you have any questions on how to do mapping and zoning and variable rate maps, he's right here in our booth. And yeah, we have his contact information and everything as well. So if you don't make it, we can catch up with you later.
thanks.
Also at our booth this week, we have Trevor from Humaterra. So if you have any questions, come on down. He's got these little sample bags. This stuff is a bacterial and fungal product. It's granulated. It has a bulk density of 44 pounds, so it can be formulated with your granular fertilizer, and it shows real promise. So this guy will be a regular probably this year on the series, so we'll see more of him. Of course, Syngenta has a nice sized booth, and everything here looks pretty good. Come on down, chat to these guys if you need anything from them. Of course, Lethbridge College is set up here with the booth. This is where I went to school. I graduated back in 2006. Bernie is still instructing there. He's a great guy, so check that out. Well, unfortunately, the knife for the draw did walk away on us, but I will replace it with another knife. New image inserted here. So, time to do the draw. Well, Harb has drawn our winner. We have a Rudy. So I'll be contacting you shortly. You can come to AgriPlus and pick up your winning knife. And that'll be it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.